Hello students, now we will discuss decentralizations in India. Decentralization in India. Federal government has two or more tiers of government. Federal government has two or more tiers of government. But vast country like India cannot be run only two tiers. So, federal power sharing in India needs another tier of government, and this resulted third tier of government, that is your local government. When power is taken away from central and state government and given to local government, it is called decentralization. Decentralization. At the local level, it is possible for the people to directly participate in decision making. A major steps towards decentralization was taken in 1992 in our country. Constitution make the third tier of democracy more powerful and effective. The rural local government is popularly known by the name Panchayati Raj. What's a Panchayati Raj? This is a council consisting of several ward members, often called Panch, and the president or Sarpanch. They are directly elected by all the adult population living in that ward or village. It is the decision making body for the entire village. All the panchayat, samiti or mandals in a district together constitute the Jilla Parishad. Local government bodies exist for urban areas as well. Big cities are constituted into municipal corporations. This new system of local government is the largest experiment in a democracy conducted anywhere in the world. It is constitutional mandatory to hold regular election to local government bodies. Seats are reserved for SC, ST and OBC. Seats are reserved for SC, ST and for OBC. At least 1/3 of all positions are reserved for women. An independent institution called the State Election Commission has been created in each state. The state government share revenue with local government. The panchayat works under the overall supervision of the Gram Sabha. It has to meet at least twice or thrice in a year to approve the annual budget of the Gram Panchayat and to review the performance of the Gram Panchayat. panchayat. Few gram panchayat grouped to form panchayat samiti or block or mandal. Members are elected by all the panchayat members in that area. Panchayat, when added with panchayat, they form panchayat samiti. When panchayat samitis added with panchayat samitis, they form Jilla Parishad. Most members of the Jilla Parishad are elected. MP and MLA of that district and some other officials of the other districts level bodies are also its members. Jilla Parishad chairperson is the political head of the Jilla Parishad. Political head of the Jilla Parishad. Head of municipal corporation called mayor. Head of municipal corporation called mayor. There are now about 36 lakhs elected representative in the panchayats and municipalities, okay, all over the country. It increases women representation. It increases women representation. Let us take an example of Brazil. Brazil is a city, okay. In Brazil, there is a city called Porto Alegre. Its population is about 13 lakhs. 20,000 people participate in decision making. In Kerala, it is also done. Same experiment was done in Kerala for direct democracy. Okay, this is all about the part of your, what say, decentralization in India. Thank you.